guys, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time tuning in, much love. If it's not, we appreciate the support. But we're out here in Strathmore, beautiful metropolis, where I actually used to play hockey. Funny thing, I actually have a couple banners in the arena over there. But we got Stitch behind me. We just got here to Unobtainium. Chris is gonna put the first system on. We got Brad.
Hey, how's it going?
Wearing the camo, no Stitch gear. I don't know how I feel about that, but hey, it's all good. You know, that's what happens when you drive a Mustang. You dump all your money in there. No, I'm just kidding. But I'm super pumped. Chris got this exhaust coming in, so we're gonna lift it up and get some cool stuff. But stay tuned for this. It's gonna be a whole fun adventure as we go through. But yeah, we're gonna go take a peek inside. But first, let's get some noise clips because she's about to get louder. Oh, let's go see what the stock exhaust looks like. Oh no, at Chris's shop. For y'all who don't know what unobtainium looks like, now you do. Well, hold on, we'll find out. There's more. I thought it was just one room. Oh, these are all the tubes or piping. Crazy. All I hear is wow on my exhaust. Well, it's not even mine. I think it's what's his name's Vic's.
Oh, and it's like that wide.
Yeah, it's a lot bigger. Ew, it's like. Oh, gross. What's the material? That's weird. I was definitely expecting a little bit nicer. What do you think?
So yeah, we'll break it all apart. We're gonna color it separately. It'll be blue mufflers and gold Y.
Sick!
So the only thing we've run into is the design that I want to use won't fit with the factory shield. So we have a couple of options. We can buy a new Lamborghini one, cut it up.
Yeah.
We can cut yours up, or we can build a new one with shielding we can get out of the UK. Because it just sits so low that the tip style we want doesn't want to clear this. Like if you look at the factory one, they've crushed where that beam is.
Oh, they like squished it.
To get proper clearance. Whereas what I want to do is I want to do stacked quads. So I want to do quads that are pointed in towards each other. Larger on the top, smaller on the bottom. But we need more vertical height. I mean, the bumper has piles of room in it.
Yeah.
But we just can't get past the beam under the factory shield. Because if you look at it, here, this is how it sits in there. It's quite limiting.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
And it's not like we're gonna burn anything not to have it, but I would never cut this without asking. Or like I said, we can build our own out of the UK, a company called Zircotech. Or I was gonna ask Ben for a price on a new one so you could still have a good factory one, and then we'll just trim it to suit, right?
So when you trim it, will it make any impact?
For the girls.
Oh yeah, it's sick. It is actually heavy, eh?
Yeah, there's some weight to it.
Yeah, about 50 pounds for sure. 50, 60 pounds. Oh, man. Yeah. Yeah, that's...
You guys can just take it to the gym.
No kidding. Yeah. Holy.
So I'll just give you a quick visual of what these are Porsche tips, but they're sort of the same angle. So I'll sneak by. I want to do upper large pair like this to match all the angularness of the bumper.
Yeah.
And then another pair below. So the valved ones will be below.
Oh.
And of course, we're going to do a custom titanium bezel to fill it nicer instead of the factory one which leaves these big areas.
Yeah.
So we'll do a custom one, and then inside of that we'll have these quads.
Dude, you do realize people are going to be asking for the same shit times 10.
Yeah, well, they can't have it.
All right, back here at Unobtainium. It's been a little bit since we've seen Stitch. I kind of miss it. We're gonna go inside now and see what's popping. Hopefully Chris can finito it here pretty quick. Let's see. Housekeeping. Housekeeping. Oh, the little pipe is going in. All right. darker blue, you just put it in again, or
No, it's the opposite. This is higher voltage than darker blue.
So it's dark first. Yeah.
Yeah, so it goes gold, purple, dark blue, light blue, then it gets off into like greens, pinks, yellows, then it goes into another set of blues and another set of greens.
So where's that piece going?
Here. So it's a gusset through the hanger.
Strengthen it.
There we go. Perfect. The brackets and shit. Look closely at the brackets on those if they're angled.
All right, guys. Finally, we got stitched back in the garage. As you guys can see, hasn't been here for a minute, but you know, obviously the whole process was awesome. You know, obviously there's some hiccups and bumps when it's the first exhaust, but it was crazy cool to see it from start to finish. The team at Unobtainium is super awesome. All the girls and, you know, the guys there, they're awesome people, and they did phenomenal work, as you guys can tell by the posts. But, you know, it just speaks for itself. Like, look how good. Oh, actually, I hold up. I'm using it on the iPhone, so I actually don't know how to like switch it. So we're gonna cut. But obviously, it looks really good. They put a heat shield plate now with some stands for the bottom tips, just so they don't ever fall. But obviously, like, the exhaust is just phenomenal, right? So I'm looking forward to everything that come with it. We got the STI slowly starting to piece together, which is awesome. Again, thanks for tuning in, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like, subscribe, and that big bell. There's gonna be lots of new content coming out with Stitch because we just got it back. But make sure you guys hit those buttons, and we appreciate the continued support. But we'll catch you guys in the next one.